Hello my dear students, a very warm welcome to all of you in this virtual class. Students, I hope that you all are healthy and happy at your home. I am Manorma Rani, teaching in DAT Gorakhpur, and today we will deal with a very interesting topic, and this topic is transformation of sentences. Transformation means change, variation, modification, alteration. But what is the meaning of transformation of sentences? The transformation of a sentences is all about changing its form without altering its meaning. It means students, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जिसे हम रूपांतरण कहते हैं, किसी भी वाक्य के रूप को जब हम बदल देते हैं बिना उसके अर्थ को बदले, तो इस तरह के वाक्यों को हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहते हैं, यानी इस तरह के बदलाव को हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर अ नंबर्स ऑफ मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, बट we use these main 6 method of transformation. They are remove to and adjust to, change of degrees, change of voice, affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative sentence, assertive to interrogative and interrogative to assertive sentence, and exclamatory to assertive sentence and assertive to exclamatory. Student, today we will learn these two methods of transformation. The one is remove to and adjust to, and the second is change of degrees, and the remaining part of this transformation we will learn in our next class. Okay student, so let's start our topic, and first of all we'll come to know how to remove to and adjust to and transform a sentence. Look here students, how to remove to and adjust to in a sentence. For example, he was too tired to work. Here we find this adverb to and this infinite to, and the task is that we have to remove to from this sentence. So what will I do student? At that time we have to use so to remove adverb to, means we have to remove to and use here so. Okay, and after that we use conjunction and remove this to and use that. And after that we use 3 words. What is these 3 words? That, and after subject he, and after that we use cannot or could not. If sentence is in past tense, then we use couldn't, and if sentence is in present tense, then we use cannot. Okay student, so we find that this sentence is in past tense, so we use he could not work. He was so tired that he could not, and use here object. Okay, in this way we can transform, we can remove to and use here so. Okay, he was too tired to work, and when we change it, so it become he was so tired that he could not work. Okay students, now look here, Some other examples. He is too old to work hard. We have to remove this adverb to and this infinite to. Okay. So first of all we have to use so instead of to, and then use adjective, and after that we have use that and use subject. What is the subject of this sentence? He. We use here he, and this sentence is in present tense is, so we use here cannot, that he cannot work hard. Then we use object work hard. Okay student, now look here student, he is so old that he cannot work hard. Okay, so student जब सेंटेंस से हमको टू एडवर्ब और टू इनफिनाइट को रिमूव करना हो तो उसकी जगह पे हमें सो and conjunction that and then use cannot or couldn't not and then use object. Okay, now look here student, the mother was so weak that the mother was too weak to control her son. Now we have to remove this too, so we use the mother was so weak that she, the subject is the mother, we change it here she, and could not, because this sentence is in past tense, then we use couldn't control her son. Okay, when sentence is in passive voice, then we will transform into it passive voice. For example, he speaks too fast to be understood. Now here be. Okay, we change it into he speaks so fast that he cannot be. We have to add be here and understood. Okay, if the subject of the sentence is it or inanimate, then change for me into I, for him into he, for them into they, for us into we, which are used in that sentence. For example, it means students, when in sentence there are used in it or non-living things, it is in subject, then we change for me into I, for him into he, for them into they, for us into we. Now look here example, the passage is too difficult for me to understand. Here use for me. So for me change into I. So we have used here I. Look here, the passage is so difficult that I, for me, instead of for me, I use here I cannot understand. In the same way this sentence, this book is too costly for her to buy. Here use for her, so instead of for her we use here she. This book is so costly that she cannot buy it. Okay students, in some sentences the transformation of for plus noun in the place of infinite, यानी कुछ sentences में infinitive to की जगह for noun का use होता है. For example, my heart was too full for word. Okay, here is not, here adverb to is present but infinite to is not present. Okay student, so how we change it? My heart was so full that I could not utter my word. Here we use I, my heart, my, instead of I we make it into subject I could not utter my words. Okay, and the next is his sorrow is too deep for tears. We change it into his sorrow is so deep that it, sorrow, it cannot be expressed in tears. Okay, in some sentences we find that if adjective is used after to but infinitive is not used in sentence, then exclamatory and or is used in the place of to. It means, student, in some sentences that adjective is present but the infinitive to is not present. For example, this sentence there is not use of infinitive to, okay, after adjective. So how we remove to in this sentence? We use extremely or instead of to. How? She is too eager for praise. Now we change it into she is too. Instead of to, we use here or, because there is no use of infinite to. Okay, so she is over eager for praise. In this place or, we can use or as well as extremely also. She is extremely eager for praise. It means, student, हम यहाँ पर to की जगह पर over या extremely दोनों शब्दों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं जब हम इसमें से adverb to को remove करते हैं तो. Student, there are two formulas in this page. Now you have to learn this formula to make your transformation more powerful. For now look here, student. When we remove to from sentence, then we apply this rule. What is this rule? First of all, we use subject, then verb plus so, and then adjective, then that, then subject and cannot or could not, then first verb form, and after that other words. For example, he is subject, was, it is verb, and then use so, and after this we use adjective, and that, conjunction that, and then use subject, and cannot or could not, and then use walk. Okay, students, then use walk. Now next example is he was so poor that he could not buy the book. So first of all we use subject and then verb, then so, and adjective, then that, and then subject and could not and cannot, then buy the book. Okay, students. And the second formula is when we remove so from a sentence, then we apply this formula. What is this formula? First of all we use subject, then verb, then adverb to, adjective, then to, then verb, and first infinitive form. Okay, for example, he, this is subject, this is verb, then we use to, then weak, adjective, then use to, and then verb, object. Okay, he is too poor to buy the book. Here we find he is subject, verb, to, adjective, and then to, and then buy, verb, and the book, object. Okay, student. So this formula is very useful and you can apply this formula when you remove to from sentence or when we remove so from a sentence. Okay, students. Now look here, some more things which are very useful when you transform sentences. Okay, changes of degree. Student, this is our second topic, changes of degree. How to change degrees in sentences. So first of all we will come to know what is degree. a form of an adjective that indicates a different degree of the attribute. The adjective denote the positive, comparative and superlative. It means student, जब किसी भी वाक्य में नाउन या प्रोनाउन के गुण और दोष को हम उतार और चढ़ाव के साथ प्रस्तुत करते हैं तो उसे हम डिग्री कहते हैं, यानी वाक्य में आए हुए गुण दोषों के उतार चढ़ाव को हम डिग्री कहते हैं। और ये उतार चढ़ाव पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकता है। There are main 3 types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So let's look here students. What is positive degree? This is called sadharan avastha. Means if there is no comparison in sentence, this is called positive degree. For example, he is a good boy, she is a tall girl. So there is no competitor present in this sentence, so we can say that this is positive degree, and the first form of positive degree present here. Comparative degree यानी तुलनात्मक अवस्था. When we compare two persons or object in a sentence, then this is called comparative degree. Comparison between two persons or object. For example, he is better than Ram, she is taller than Sita. Now here we find he is compared with Ram, she is compared with Sita. Here we find comparison between he and Ram, she and Sita. So this is comparative degree. What is superlative degree? Comparison among several person or object is called superlative degree, means सर्वोच्च अवस्था. For example, he is the best boy in the class, she is the tallest girl in the school. This is the superlative degree. We can say this is the सर्वोच्च, ये सर्वोच्च अवस्था है सेंटेंस की जिसमें हम सबसे ज़्यादा यानी द बेस्ट, द टॉलेस्ट इन तरह के एडजेक्टिव का यूज़ करते हैं. Some important point to be remembered during change the degrees. जब हम डिग्रीज को चेंज करते हैं तो कुछ चीज़ें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है. क्या है वो चीज़ें? The sign of positive degree is as या so as. So the first sign of positive degree is that here use as yeah, or so as. For example, Sita is not as beautiful as Rita. No one in the class is so tall as Ram. So here we find that these two sentences are positive degree because here use as, so as. Okay. The sign of comparative degree is then. For example, Mohan is richer than Rohan. The sign of superlative degree is the sign of superlative degree is the. Here we find that comparative, the sign of comparative degree, and the is the sign of superlative degree. Sita is the most beautiful girl in the school. Here we find the, so it is superlative degree. During transformation, the original meaning of the sentence should not be changed. यानी कि जब हम सेंटेंस को ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं, एक से दूसरे में चेंज करते हैं, तो ऐसे समय में सेंटेंस की मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होती है. ओके. ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इन ऑर्डर टू कीप द मीनिंग, यू हैव टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. यानी जब सेंटेंस को हम ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं तो ऐसे समय में हम उसकी मीनिंग चेंज नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन उसके सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट की स्थिति चेंज कर सकते हैं. adjective words which contain two or more syllable, add more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree। जब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस को हम कंपैरेटिव या सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में चेंज करते हैं तो जो सेंटेंस या जो वर्ड मोर देन 2 सिलेबल होते हैं उनके साथ हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में मोर का यूज करते हैं और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में मोस्ट का प्रयोग करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेरी फ्यू गर्ल्स आर एज ब्यूटीफुल एज सोनिया। हियर वी फाइंड एज, so it is positive degree. Now we when change it into comparative, then we use beautiful. There is 2 syllable though, so we use here more beautiful. So when we change into comparative degree, then it change Sonia is more beautiful than most of the girl. And when we change it into superlative degree, Sonia is one of the most. We use most before beautiful girl. Okay. Some other examples. I am not as intelligent as Sushma. When we change it into comparative degree, Sushma is more intelligent than me. And when we change it to superlative degree, then we find that these type of sentences is not changed in superlative form, because if there is comparison between two things or person, then that condition interchange is possible only with positive and comparative। जब दो चीजों में कंपैरिजन किया जाता है, सुषमा एंड मी, तो ऐसे समय में हम इसको कंपैरेटिव और पॉजिटिव डिग्री में ही रख सकते हैं। इसकी हम सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म को में नहीं बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें दो चीज़ों का तुलना किया जा रहा है, और जब दो चीज़ों की तुलना होती है तो इसको या तो पॉजिटिव में डिग्री में या तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में हम चेंज करते हैं। सुपरलेटिव डिग्री चेंज करने के लिए हम इसे एक ग्रुप के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। How to make degrees? There are two ways of forming the comparative and superlative, by adding er or est. Some sentence we find that there are some sentence when which we use only er to make it comparative and add est to make it superlative. For example, small is the word, we use only er and make it comparative and est make it superlative. In the same way, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, rich, richer, richest, strong, stronger and strongest. Okay. And some other examples. Positive, there are some words whose positive, comparative and superlative form are totally different. They are good, better, best. When good is used in positive degree, then it change into comparative degree better, and in superlative degree it change into best. In the same way, bad change into comparative degree worse, and in superlative degree worst. Many, more and most. Much, more and most. Okay students? Now some examples of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Superlative. Ram is the tallest boy in the class. This is superlative form because here use the tallest. Okay, we have to change it comparative degree, then we use Ram is taller than word any other boys in the class. And when we change it into positive degree, no other boy in the class is so tall as Ram. Here we use so and as sign of positive degree. Mohan is richer than any other man in the town. It is comparative degree. And when we change it into superlative, then we change it Mohan is the richest man in the town. Here we find that comparative degree compare between two things, and superlative degree change with a group. Next is no other man in the town is so rich as Mohan. Okay, and when we change it into compare degree, Mohan is richer than Sohan, but we cannot make it superlative form because there is comparison between Mohan and Sohan, and we cannot change it into superlative form. Okay, student? So I think that you understood all the steps of transformation, how to remove to and add to in sentence, and how to change degree in the sentences. Now it is your homework, student. So copy it or take a screenshot of this page. Ashok was greater than many other kings of India. You have to change it into superlative form. And the second is, she is the best call in the class. She is the best call in the class. You have to change it into comparative form. He is as clever as a fox. You have to change it into comparative form. Iron is the most useful metal. You have to change it into positive form. And the last is, honesty is the best policy. You have to change it into positive form. Okay, student? So student, I think that you understood all the steps of transformation very well. The remaining part of transformation we will learn in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a good day.